Hi friends, now we are seeing this tech channel. So in this video I am going to show you what is inside this DVD writer. So let's get started guys. You can see this is the Samsung's DVD writer. You can see this is my old DVD writer guys. You can see guys. You can see Samsung. You can see guys. It's very interesting to open this. You can see DVD writer model SHS223. And you can see now we have to loose the screws. And you can see guys, I removed the lid. You can see the motors. You can see guys the motors. I will remove all. And you can see guys, this is the SATA power and SATA data ports. You can see we have to connect to the CPU. If we use for the CPU, we can connect for SATA ports. You can see, and this is the board. And you can see guys, this is the motors. And you can see guys, I removed the motor. You can see, very interesting guys. And you can see guys, I removed the motor, another motor. You can see the motor. And you can see. And I removed the lid, and the lid, this is the main laser diode. And you can see guys, I removed another lid. You can see, and this is the laser diode. You can see guys. And you can see guys, I removed this. You can see this is the laser diode. You can see that the circuit. You can see guys, I removed all of them. You can see another motor and a button switch and an LED. You can see, very interesting guys. You can see this is the laser diode circuit. I will remove all of them. You can see guys, this is the last laser circuit. You can see, I will show you guys. You can see, I will show you the diode also. You can see all the things that are in this part. You can see guys, this is the main diode. You can see